Exercise 11.2 third construction for CBSE students only. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeters. From its center, draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Okay. Here we draw the rough figure first. This is 3 centimeters radius and just draw a circle. This AB is a diameter. Here O is the center of the circle. This is P, this is Q. OQ is 7 centimeters, PO is 7 centimeters. From P draw a tangent, from P draw another tangent. Again from Q draw a tangent, again from Q draw another tangent. So this is the rough sketch. That means this PO is 7 centimeters and this OQ is also 7 centimeters. First draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Right. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. This is the circle of radius 3 centimeters. Now take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. So this is the diameter. This is the center of the circle. This is diameter actually. Now we produce the diameter. We take 7 centimeters from the center to this point. So this is center of the circle, this is starting point. So this distance is 7 centimeters. From here also take 7 centimeters radius. Or you can cut the arc with 7 centimeters, just cut the arc. This is 7 centimeters. From this center, just cut. Here also this is 7 centimeters, right? So this is center of the circle. This is diameter, of course. AB is the diameter of the circle. Just we produce either side of the diameter. And this is P and this is Q. This OP is 7 centimeters, OQ is also 7 centimeters. Now from its center, draw tangents to the circle from the 2 points, from these 2 points P and Q. Now what I am going to do here is draw the perpendicular bisector of this PO. Right. Now join these perpendicular bisectors. These intersecting arcs, just joining. Okay. Now this perpendicular bisector of PO intersects this PO at S. Now S as center, SP as radius, S as center, SP as radius, draw a circle which passes through P and O. Okay, my dear students. The next step here is again draw the perpendicular bisectors of this OQ. First we draw the perpendicular bisectors of PO. Now draw the perpendicular bisectors of OQ. Again take half more than radius, more than half, and draw arcs on either side. So again join these two intersecting arcs. Right. So this perpendicular bisector of OQ intersecting this OQ at some K. Right. Now with K as center, KO as radius, K as center, KO as radius, draw another circle which passes through this O and Q. See my dear students, here this circle, that means S as center, we draw a circle now. It intersects the first circle, that means 3 centimeters radius, O as center, 3 centimeter radius at 2 points. One is A, one is L, another one is M. And coming to this side, this circle intersects the first circle, but that means O as center, 3 centimeters radius, draw another circle, no. Draw a circle, no, first circle at N and some T, N and T. Now join this PL, join this PL, PL and PM also. Join this PM also, right. So these two are the tangents from this point, from point P. Similarly from Q also join this QN, QN and QT, 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 right, QT. So here this PL, PM are tangents from P and QN and QT are the tangents from Q. Fourth construction in exercise 11.2. See my dear students, here draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So here we have to take a circle first with 5 centimeters as radius. See, draw pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So these two are tangents. This is the center of the circle. This radius of the circle is what? 5 centimeters. Okay. Now actually the angle inclined between these two tangents are given. This is 60 degrees. And what about this angle, my dear students? This angle AOB. This is angle APB is equal to 60 degrees. APB. What about angle AOB? This angle AOB. Actually, this is 90 degrees. Why? This PA and OA are perpendicular to each other. The reason is the angle between radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is 90, 90, 60. What about this angle? 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 60, 240. So this angle AOB is 360 minus 240. The reason is sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees or 4 right angles. So this angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. See my dear students, first what we have to do here is with 5 centimeters radius, just draw this circle. With 5 centimeters radius, draw this circle. Five centimeters radius, draw a circle. Okay, what next here? We don't know the external point, but just this is the center of the circle O. Join this, take a point on the circle and join this AO. Now what I am going to do here is just I am drawing a what? I am constructing an angle of 120 degrees. Draw an arc like this. So with the same what? Radius, cut these two arcs. Cut the previous arc like this. What I did first? With O as center, just from here to here, just with your convenient radius, draw an arc like this, like a semicircle. With the same radius, from here, draw an arc, cut this previous arc. From here also, cut another arc to the previous arc. Now, what you do here is join this O to this intersecting point, here to here. So you will notice that this angle, that means let it be B, angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees, 120 degrees. Okay, I hope you understand up to here, right? Now what we have to do here, since this angle is 120 degrees, you know, students, right? Next step is, here take again circle, with A as center. Here just draw an arc again like this, again like this. Now here also, from here just mark points here, here and here. Understand? So with A as center, what I did here, just draw an arc like this, and it intersects this over here. Now from here to here, just draw an arc, and from here to here also draw another arc. What I am doing here, just I am drawing a what? Construct an angle 90 degrees. Okay. The next step here is, from here to here, draw two arcs which are intersecting, right? Now from here, from A to this intersecting point of the two arcs, join okay, right. This is over. We have to continue the same process for this B also. That means angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now, my dear students, again draw an arc like this. From here, cut an arc. From here also, cut another arc. Right. Now, from here, draw the first arc. From here, draw the second arc. Okay, now what I do here, now join this B2 intersecting right. So this angle, you will notice this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees, and here this point is P, this point is P. So here also this angle PBA, this is 60 degrees. So 60, this is 90 degrees, 120, this is 90. So these are two tangents, PA and PB are two tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters, which are, these two are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So this is the construction, my dear students. For next video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.